It's amazing being grazing on a field of corn, a land like yours which has but none, I have nothing but scorn. Swaying in the dancing breeze like a soaring kite, our favourite starchy yellow crop, it grows to such a height. A land that grows such yellow gold, have you seen the like? I'll tell you, corn is all you need to get you through the night. Hullabaloo, a corn a day, a hullabaloo, a hill. Have you corn 100 ways, wrapped or cooked or grilled? Hullabaloo, a corn a day, a hullabaloo, a ha. Praise the corn in special ways, come work on a farm. A farmer old once told me that corn it is the key for bringing you to peace of mind and setting us free from the burden of possession. So lay it close down now, skip naked among the corn and man this heavy plough. A land that grows such yellow gold, have you seen the like? I'll tell you, corn is all you need to get you through the night. Hullabaloo, a corn a day, a hullabaloo, a hill. Have you corn 100 ways, wrapped or cooked or grilled? Hullabaloo, a corn a day, a hullabaloo, a ha. Praise the corn in special ways, let them have your corn. It's important to remember, we should all love corn. When you taste that sunny treat, you'll be glad you were born. It's amazing being silent and working on the farm. Keep opinions to yourself when you'll go very far. A land that grows such yellow gold, have you seen the like? I'll tell you, corn is all you need to get you through the night.